Hey guys, welcome to my channel. In this video, I will share with you how I make this delicious and simple cauliflower curry. So for this curry, I used coconut oil, salt, garlic, Scotch bonnet, dill, onions, curry spices, tomato paste, cumin, chopped canned tomatoes, coconut milk, ginger paste, and cauliflower. Start with washing and cutting the cauliflower into florets and prep the rest of the ingredients as well. So cut the onions and mince the Scotch bonnet. I used one Scotch bonnet, of which I minced half. Heat coconut oil over medium heat and cook the onions along with half of the Scotch bonnet for about 6 to 8 minutes. If you don't like spicy or hot food, you can leave out the Scotch bonnet. Add grated garlic and add the minced Scotch bonnet and ginger paste and cook it for an additional 2 minutes. Here I am adding curry spices and cumin. Mix it and cook it for 2 minutes. And here I'm adding a little bit of salt. I'm taking out the Scotch bonnet, which I cooked with the onions in the beginning. If you want the flavor of the Scotch bonnet to be more prominent in the dish, you can leave it in longer. Now add tomato paste and mix it with the spices. And cook it for about 5 minutes. Now add the chopped tomatoes and coconut milk. And I chose to add a little bit of water to make the curry less thick, but that is optional. And add the cauliflower. At this point, I had added a bit more cumin because I love cumin, but you can add any other spice you like. Lower the heat and allow the cauliflower to fully cook in the sauce. Garnish with fresh dill, and there you have a delicious cauliflower curry. If you like this video, share it with your friends and don't forget to subscribe for weekly recipe videos. Thanks for watching, guys.